Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with a weekly analysis that it goes from the 24th of February to the 3rd of March to 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. Here is the weekly chart. Overextended trend hasn't stopped. 6 weeks on a powerful correction. Price is still trying to reach the first minor support, which is located at 492.91. Major support 382. Extreme situation if the price reaches obviously 126. However, what happens during the last week can potentially give us counter trends in this new week that it starts today. But let's see what can happen in that sense. And this is obviously the weekly chart that we just saw. But this is the 3-day chart. This is the situation with the 3-day chart. We see a potential situation that it might develop the correction one more time, and the correction can continue towards right now 492, which is the minor support, and after that 382 will be the next target. But this is a bearish sandwich. This is the situation I'm telling you. This bearish sandwich doesn't seem too good for buyer's side, to be honest. And right now there is a potential that if the price continues his downtrend, it has to reach 530.01 in order to push the price once again to try to penetrate main support, and after that it will have enough space towards 592 and why not 382. That's something that we have to take into consideration. And if that happens, obviously enough volume from the seller's side can push the price towards the major support at any time. The other hypothesis is the possibility that we see right now on the daily chart. This is a triple bottom tail. This is a very strong support at the moment, but we have a lower high built already. Two things can happen. This is the daily chart. Each candlestick, it's 1 day of market, 1 day of trading. Right now there is a potential that this particular candlestick or the price today can reach once again the 530.01, and one more time we might see reaction from the buyer side, and why not a potential long bottom tail can end up being part of this particular pattern. If this happens, there is a chance for the buyers to try to push the price one more time towards 646 to deny this particular lower high. Why is that? We already have several lower highs here. We have right now 1, 2, 3. We actually got more than 3 lower highs right now that it might generate a new high volatility at the support of this particular area, and why not, it will bring volume from the buyer side trying to push the price once again to areas such as 446, which is 646, sorry, which is this pivot that I'm pointing out right now. This is something that we have to take into consideration, and we can actually take advantage on a small time frames intraday. So this is basically what we believe it might happen. These two options might bring some kind of opportunities for all of us. So keep an eye on it, because the opportunities are out there. We're just waiting for the right patterns to go in and minimize the risk and gain as many profits as possible. And last but not least, here is MGOX, which is still not showing any signs of recovery. And after the last news that Caperles decided to resign from the Bitcoin Foundation, things don't seem very good at the moment. So there is no positive signs from that particular trading platform that we can actually tell you guys. But we're still monitoring the situation to see if we can bring some kind of good news for everyone who's trapped into the platform, onto the trading company that is obviously not showing signs of new official statements or response in terms of the withdrawal for Bitcoins. But we keep an eye on it. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck this week. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great week trading. See you around. Goodbye.